I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, go to the lavatory. I wear high heels, and my mother's brown. He's a lumberjack. That's one of the songs from Monty Python. Famous for the humor in it, surprises, and the oxymoron, nearly the contradiction. Lumberjack, and then he wears high heels, which can happen, but of course, this is a field which is supposed to be so butch, so, and then we discovered that there will be people with sensibility even, which is we know this is the reality, but then some decades ago it was different. So what do we have here today? It's Chapman, Graham Chapman, and oh no, it's Michael Palin, I think it was. I need to do a better job and put talking about. So anyway, we have some of the sketches, and then they're all asked what they like. There are some surprises. There are things we know, and love. Like I mentioned, and that's one of my favorites, Eddie Baby. So Edward, call you Ted. So tell me, Eddie Baby, sugar pie. So we've been through the parrot sketch, the Norwegian blue, which in reality was a blue and gold macaw, but then they invented the Norwegian blue in particular because it's absurd humor. You don't have Norwegian blue parrots, you don't have Norwegian parrots at all because it's very cold there, and parrots live where they where there's warm climate, which pretty soon will be everywhere. Indeed, they recorded record temperatures in the tundra, the Arctic Circle. Yeah, with dictionary. We have dictionary. Terminal. Terry Jones walks into John Cleese walks into the shop with a book in his hand, and it's Terry Jones who's the shopkeeper, and Cleese is going reading from some. Do you have eels in the overcrop? Apparently it was Graham Chapman who came with off the wall with a more exotic lines or words in the lines, because Norwegian blue is attributed to him, so to say. He had this incredible persona, he was so exotic. So I mean, they were all wet, but Graham Chapman in particular, drinking very, very heavily. Something he learned when he was training as a doctor in the hospital, where they had the bar open until 3 a.m. It's amazing. And then you find quite a few funny stories there. Michael Palin talks about when he was going to the studio, he would drive by to take Chapman in the way. use the horn in one place and another place and all kinds of work. He'll be here shortly. Wherever they went, he would have company. He would pick somebody up, 5 minutes, up to 5 minutes in any place. So one time there was this fellow, Vincent and these other my colleagues, and come up with a motorcycle. So with a dictionary, and then he reads Bunsy. Would you care for some Bunsy? A policeman shoots up. What happened was the Hungarian English dictionary was made in a very rude way. So in translation, when the user would want to say, I want some cans, what he would say, let's have some sex or Bunsy. So indeed, Terry Jones could say, it's tobacconist. We don't have look, tobacco. Let me. And he takes the book and he tries to read. Okay, let's say 5 minutes. And Junkies punches him because clearly it's going the other way around, translating from English to Hungarian. And then we have the blackmail. That's in this episode of blackmail on television. We have footage with Mr. Richards. So send us the money, or we'll tell you what happened in Grove Street, number 10, on Friday. So very good, very special.